Good morning, everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to week 6 in Lib 6900. I just wanted to give you a video hello this week and see how you're doing. First of all, thank you for emailing me about live text. I apologize for that. This semester I was uh, determined that this wouldn't happen again because this always seems to happen, but when I checked in earlier in this semester, my courses were not loaded in live text, so I couldn't put the assignment in. And then, of course, they don't email me when that happens, and I forgot. So, anyway, I apologize again, and you can upload 4.2 into live text now. So, I'd really appreciate it if you do that. So this week we are doing another budget assignment, and it's about cutting programs this time. You can choose any library you want. I don't have a lot of school library examples because it's really hard to find school library information, specifically budgets, online. Usually those are kind of behind the wall, so to speak, and I don't have access to them. But since most of you are school librarians in this class, you are more than welcome to use a school library. I would prefer if you could use another district's budget perhaps to see how others do it instead of using your own. I feel like you would get more out of the assignment if you did that. Um, but anyway, the choice is yours. So this doesn't need to be super long. A short paragraph about demographics, either from the census information or from the school information. And really what you're looking at here is what is offered, and looking at the mission and the budget, uh, and the demographics. What would you cut if, say, next year you had to cut, a third of your budget or a fourth of your budget, which happens a lot. So what programs would you cut and which ones would you not cut? So leave it to a couple of pages, and don't overwork yourselves. You've already done a lot of work, especially with 4.2. So just condense it and uh, do it justice, and then we'll call it good. Um, Also coming up is fall break. You do not have anything due on October 13th. This next week's assignment is due, and then, or where are we at? Yeah, it is this week's assignment. And then 4.4 will be due after fall break on October 20th. So I hope you enjoy that time off. I know your fall breaks are all over the place, so I'm sure that I can't encapsulate everybody's fall break because there are different times. But uh, anyway, use that time to work ahead or to work on your exit portfolio, and that is the next thing on my list is the exit portfolio. I will be starting to evaluate them this week as far as those of you who are graduating, so that we can make sure that you're coming along, and that we can do a final evaluation in the next several weeks coming up into November, so that we can get that done and get that off your plate, because I know that'll be a big relief to you, and you've got a lot of things to do in this last semester. So that is coming up, and I think that's about it. I hope you have a great week.